Hey guys, Mark Freeman here, and today I'm going to be working on a Ficus benjimina bonsai project. So the tree I have here is a Ficus benjimina, and I've been growing and styling this tree. I've had it for about a year now, maybe a year and a half, and along the way I had to do some pruning, and one of the cuttings that I took from this tree, I believe it actually came from this piece right here, I believe I had cut it from. I rooted and turned into this cutting right here. So I have a smaller Ficus benjimina bonsai growing here. Today I'm going to reduce this tree, and my plan is to actually turn it from this long, lanky kind of tree into more of a small, compact, banyan-style bonsai. So today I'm going to be removing these branches, and I'm going to be planted in this pot over here, hoping to root these cuttings, and then I'm going to replant the cuttings around the base trunk to create kind of a banyan-style looking tree with multiple trunks, and then I'll start to build the canopy from there. So let's get started. So to begin, I'm going to start cutting this tree down. I decided I want to make the cut right below this first branch. By not cutting it to a previous branch, it's going to cause this plant to put out multiple buds. If I were to cut it back to this first branch here, it would just continue the trunk line, which is fine for many styles. This is what I do with the other tree. But for this one, I want multiple branches to be coming out here to start working on that banyan style look. So I'm going to pick a spot just below this branch. Alright, and the first cut was made. So now I'm going to start subdividing this top piece before dipping it in the water and the rooting hormone and putting it in this pot here to root and then replant into a banyan style. So the first cut I'm going to make just above this branch. Good. Just one. Two. Three and four. Alright, so I got my 4 branches right here. And now I'm just going to dip them in water and into the rooting hormone and plant them in this pot. Pretty quick video. But ultimately, what I'll end up doing is I'll be planting these around here, like so. I'll have to shorten the taller ones down eventually once they root. And it's going to have a 5-trunk setup, 5 trunks positioned around this main trunk, and then hopefully it'll start putting out new shoots, and again these branches will be trimmed down to produce a small tree. I'm hoping it's no taller than about yay high. So it'll be a mummy-sized banyan tree made out of Ficus benjimina. So to get the rooting hormone on, this is the powdered variety, so you just dip it in water, dip it in the powder, and then push it into the soil. One. So that's all I'm going to do for today. Very simple video, but as you can see, this tree has been greatly reduced. Might put a little bit of cut paste on here, although ficus don't always need it because of their sap. And ultimately, this is going to start putting out new shoots. Hopefully, these will all take root, and I'll be able to replant them into more of a banyan-style structure. And I think it'll be a pretty interesting little plant once I do so. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll be posting update videos showing the progression of this project and how this tree starts to look and takes its form in the future. Thanks for watching.